Video, I'd like to discuss cut vinyl utilizations, how cut vinyl is utilized in control and why it is utilized in the way that it is. If we're looking at Sirius inside an estimate with a product using cut vinyl, such as a cut vinyl sign, you'll see I have 10 18 by 24s, the plotter, the complexity, the material, and then we get into the cut vinyls. My first option is a vinyl type where I'm choosing intermediate, high performance, etc. And then the color itself. You'll notice the default colors are really just black, white, to be determined. But it does allow for you to type in any color that you want. If I just type in a red, you'll notice in my parts list it pulls up the Oracal Intermediate Colors vinyl. Whereas if I choose a black and white, it chooses the black and white vinyl. In the stock system, we only deal with two types two colors of each type of vinyl. Such as the intermediate, the standard set will have a black and white as well as a colored intermediate, a black and white high performance as well as a colored high performance. Now if we look back at the part list, you'll see it is calculating the cut vinyl by the square foot. It is assuming on this product that we have 10 18 by 24s and we're basically doing 100% of fill of the white vinyl, which comes to that square footage. If we look at the part itself in the system, you'll notice under materials there's a cut vinyl category, then it breaks down into the high performance, intermediate, etc. If you used a different type of high performance, you would just rename this one here for your black and white or the one for colors. If I want to track for inventory or for other purposes additional high performance vinyls, I can add a new vinyl to the Add High Performance Vinyls category, or Added High Performance Vinyls category, and it will also add it to the list of high performance vinyls, in case maybe my reds or something I get special that are more expensive than the other colors. In our consumption of vinyls, you'll notice we are consuming by the square foot, rounding to the next quarter foot, which is an option that's up to you. And then our cost is also done in the square foot. I'm frequently asked, why is the cut vinyls done in a square foot calculation when the printed vinyls are done in a linear foot calculation? The main reason here is inventory controls. It is much easier to control inventories on printed vinyls than it is in cut vinyls. Cut vinyls, when you're dealing with so many different colors at so many different widths, become actually quite difficult for the average shop to maintain its inventory. So therefore, maintaining a broad inventory of just a black and white or colors or different styles actually becomes easier, and you're just doing a square footage with a scrap factor and doing a manual update every so often. Back to our product. You'll notice when adding additional vinyls, the percentage of fill changes between percentages. These are set up as user constants in the system, in the pricing setup as far as the defaults, but can be changed. Also, if I was doing a shadow or an outline, then it assumes that that color that is the outline will be the same as the color above it. I hope this explains how and why vinyls are utilized the way they are. If you have any further questions, please review our other videos or contact the Series Implementation Department. Thank you.